slightly serious. The upcoming Shivaji statue will utilize 3,600 crores of taxpayers' money. वैसे, the way taxpayers' money is spent in India continues to be a $1 million secret.
Unless you file an RTI, of course, and risk being dead, it is difficult to know details of expenditure. But how else could they have spent this money?
3,600 crores में महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट 4 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स लगा सकती थी.
Anyway, all of this is passé. What we want to talk to you about is how spending works.
याद है जब आखिरी बार शॉपिंग की थी, प्रोमो कोड ढूंढा, कूपन लगाया, कैशबैक चेक किया और सारी तहकीकात करके ही सामान लिया.
But the government does not spend money like that. उनको डिस्काउंट क्वालिटी वगैरह की क्यों चिंता होगी? Because it's not their money that they are spending.
Taxpayers' money is meant to be spent inefficiently. And why? Because nobody notices and government has no incentive to be careful.
Milton Friedman, a Nobel Prize winning economist, speaks about 4 kinds of spending. एक, जब आप अपना पैसा खुद पे खर्च करते हैं और दूसरा, जब अपना पैसा किसी और पे खर्च करते हैं. In both these cases, you are careful about how you spend the money.
The third and the fourth way of spending money is most interesting. Now listen to me carefully. The third way is जब आप किसी और का पैसा खुद पे खर्च करें. मान लीजिए आप ऑफिस के पैसों पे लंच पे जा रहे हैं. And the fourth is when someone else's money is spent on someone else. Now we can't think of a real life example here because not all of us are as lucky as the government, you see. Government spending taxpayers' money fits in this category, and which is why the government does not cut spending, nor do you care.
This is where the logic of diffuse cost and concentrated benefit comes in. तो पहले diffuse cost के बारे में बात करते हैं. अपेक्षिता महाराष्ट्र की पॉपुलेशन लगभग क्या होगी?
More than 12 crores.
और शिवाजी के स्टैच्यू पे 3,600 करोड़ का एक्सपेंडिचर हो रहा है.
इसका मतलब है कि हर महाराष्ट्र का रेसिडेंट डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली इस प्रोजेक्ट पे 297 रुपीस कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है.
इसको कहते हैं डिफ्यूज कॉस्ट. अरे आपने इतने रुपए का चंदा दिया और आपको पता भी नहीं चला.
और अगर ये प्रोजेक्ट डिले होता है और 3,600 करोड़ का 5,000 करोड़ भी होता है तो भी कॉस्ट डिफ्यूज ही रहेगी और शायद तब भी आपको ज़्यादा फर्क ना पड़े.
But what about the benefit? Not all of these 12 crore people are going to visit the memorial, and even if they do, they will have to bear an additional travel and access cost, which means you will spend over and above your tax money.
Maybe now you should be outraged, and since it involves the government, accountability can be skewed.
Correct. So there is no way to ensure how this 3,600 crore will be spent and how much of it will benefit the politicians.
और गवर्नमेंट को जो वाहवाही, प्रेस्टीज और वोट्स मिलेंगे वो अलग. दिस इज अ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड बेनिफिट.
So in short, all of us are paying 297 rupees towards this memorial, which is a diffuse cost, और concentrated benefit सिर्फ कुछ लोगों को मिलेगा. This is the logic of politics, and this is why the government ends up spending more than any voter would want them to spend.
In the end, we want to leave you with a brilliant thought. French economist Bastiat said that everyone wants to live at the expense of the state. They forget that the state lives at the expense of everyone.
If you found this video informative and have questions or feedback about it, please leave your comments below. And Happy New Year guys! But uske pehle please subscribe.
See you next year.